Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to save Google Docs to a file. It's a straightforward process that gives you control over your documents. First, open the Google Doc you wish to save. Then, navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down, simply select Download and choose the file format that best suits your needs. This will save the document directly to your computer's Downloads folder, ready for use. When downloading, you have several versatile options. For instance, if you need to edit the document in Microsoft Word, select the DocX format. If you prefer a fixed layout for sharing or printing, the PDF document option is ideal. You can also choose Open Document Format for open source software or Plain Text and Rich Text Format for basic text files. Each format serves a specific purpose, giving you flexibility. Beyond downloading, you might want to save a copy within your Google Drive. To do this, go to the File menu and select Make a Copy. You'll then be prompted to rename the document and choose a new folder location within your drive. This action creates a completely separate duplicate, leaving your original document untouched. It's perfect for creating different versions or sharing a clean copy without affecting your master file. Finally, you can also directly email your Google Doc as an attachment. From the File menu, hover over Email and then click Email this file. You can then select your preferred attachment format, such as a PDF or a Microsoft Word document. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject and message, and hit Send. This is a quick and efficient way to share your document without needing to download it first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.